Hey guys, it's Mithila. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing safe and sane. As you've read from the title, today's video is going to be my entire shoe collection video. I'm a huge shoe hoarder and I thought it would be fun to share my collection and talk about how you can style them in different ways. These are not just my personal collection, but I also share a few of them with my mom. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's begin with today's video. So coming up first, let's talk about sneakers. I love sneakers more than any other footwear. These have a special place in my heart. First up are these Nike Air Force One in lilac color. First of all, how pretty is this color? Totally comfortable and lightweight. This gives a summer vibe because of the pastel color, and I definitely need to take care of this one. Nike is one of my favorite shoe brand, and I think it's a must-have for all the sneaker lovers. Next up are these yellow Nike shoes. These are pretty old. I would actually recommend to get really funky, colorful, bright colored pair like this one to give that extra pop of color in your outfit. Next up are these cyan colored sneakers. These are from Fila and I just love these. These look great for like a casual sporty look. Can be paired with a color theme in the outfit. Also, these look so chunky and bulky, but these are super lightweight and really comfortable. Next up are these black high top Converse shoes. These look so cool with the all black detailing and also gives a look like a combat boots. But these can be paired with all the short dresses, skirts, and literally amazing for every casual outfit. Next up are these denim low top sneakers in cyan color, perfect for summers. These are not real Converse sneakers, but I got them in pantaloons for like really cheap price, and I literally wore this all the time during my college. I think you should check out footwear collection in pantaloons. They really have great collection and for like affordable price. Again, these can be paired with denim, skirts, etc. These are really casual type of sneakers. Next up are these super worn out white sneakers which are not white anymore. I got these long back from Woodlands and definitely need one white shoes in your wardrobe. Literally मैंने पहन के पूरा पैसा वसूल किया है. Just look at the condition of the shoes. I literally wore this for all the events, parties and college days. So yeah, these were my go-to shoes. Legit can wear with anything. I kind of want a similar pair but not getting that perfect one. So yeah. So summing up, for sneakers you need at least one pair of white or black, the usual one whichever you want, and a funky one to add that pop of color. Coming up for heels, basically you need a black, nude or metallic one with any styles, strappy, pumps or block heels, and you are sorted. Black stilettos, these are my first ever heels that I owned. It has pretty much high heel but is really comfortable because of the platform given here, and I literally wore these for my traditional wear and party dresses, and obviously can't wear them on daily basis. Next up are these pump heels. More than the previous stilettos, the black pump heels are a must-have in your wardrobe. These are my recent purchase from Allen Solly. I really love the bow detailing here, and these look so classy and chic at the same time. Definitely can be worn for denim, skirts or formal dresses too. Next up are these pump heels. Pump heels give an illusion to look taller, so invest in one. These are my mom's and I really love this one. It has a suede and leather detailing. The design is super chic, and because of the color, the shoe looks so elegant, and yeah, this has to be one of my favorite. Next up are these brown heels. These are my mom's and pretty old. I love how comfortable these are because of the platform. These are pretty worn out, and I'm definitely going to wear these under my lehengas or saris and making full use of them. I don't own any nude shade footwears, but actually you can go with browns because these also go with most of your outfits. Next up are these shoes. I don't know what these are called as, but these are one of the shoes where I really fell in love with. These are really old and super worn out, and I wore this for almost all the events and parties. As you can see, these are completely ruined, but still I won't stop wearing them. These are covered till ankles and look so cool with your short skirts or short dresses. Also, I love the buckle detailing, and it has a zip at the back. I have these probably from 7 to 8 years, and legit felt like a fashionista when I wore this back then. So yeah, never going to get rid of these. Next up are these strappy heels. The heel is so comfortable and are so gorgeous. I can literally wear this the whole day and dance and not regret. It has this velvet material and studs on the top. Looks super pretty with dresses and gives that elegant look. Next up are these blue block heels. These are my first ever block heels. Firstly, how amazing is this color, not like the usual ones, and are really great for a long day out because block heels are really comfortable. The strap looks so good and are so easy to be paired with most of the outfits, and it also gives that extra pop of color. Next up are these gorgeous snake print wedges. I love the snake print around as it's super in right now, but these really go well with all your outfits, like you can go with dresses or jeans. I really recommend at least have one pair of wedges in your closet. Next up are these metallic silver studded wedges. These are really fancy and a party wear heel. These definitely go when you don't know what to wear with your shimmery outfits. So these are super comfortable and great. It also has a lesser heel compared to the other wedges. Next up are these nude shade wooden kind of material wedges, and these are so simple but yet elegant because of the shiny detail at the strap. These are really comfortable and has a basic color that goes with all the outfits. These also give a casual plus chic vibe at the same time to the outfit. Also can be picked when you don't want to wear high heels or flats to the parties. Next up are these orange tie-up heels. I got these from H&M and are probably sold out now. I really love how these are made with a summery material, and the platform plus the color gives a funky vibe. Also, these have to be the perfect thing to pair with your girly summery dress. Next up are these maroonish mules. Again, these are my mom's and probably wore them more than her. And these are mules with little height. It is made with leather and looks great. Also, the color is so subtle and not very over the top for a formal look. Next up are flats. Okay, you need like 2 pairs of flats. The first one has to be like a basic black or brown shade flats. The first one has to be these black mules. I got these from People Store, and these are perfect for your office look. I literally wore the heck out of these and I can't stop wearing them. Next up are these basic black strappy flats. These are just gorgeous and brand new. I got these from H&M. These are some of the least structured sound shoes. Like, who thought these spaghetti straps would hold on the foot, right? The best buy, I must say. Looking forward to wearing them. Next up are these basic brown flats. Really great for summers or like when you're running errands. These can go with literally anything and everything, and I've seen a similar one on H&M. I'll try to find the link and leave it in the description box. Okay, the next type of flats you need are like jutis or kolhapuris. The first one is the metallic colored kolhapuri flats, and I got these from Commercial Street. These look so unique and different from the usual kolhapuri flats. So yeah, these look again great with every Indian outfit. Next up are these white printed jutis. Got them from Streets of Jodhpur. I also love to pair these with my western clothes for like a Indo-Western look that looks pretty cool. Next up are these green tie-ups. I got these from Udaipur street shop a few years back, and I literally picked this for its color and the tie-up pattern. It has an Indian design going on, but I think these look pretty cool for your beach outfits. Lastly, moving on to boots. I don't own a lot of them. The first one are these grey sandals. I call them boots because they go up till your ankles. These are really comfortable, though the heel is quite high. Okay, lastly are these brown ankle length boots. I got these from Forever 21. Firstly, it has a pointed toe plus the heel to give you that height. I literally fell in love with these the moment I saw them. Really love the color and the suede material. I would actually prefer a black or a brown boots as they go with everything. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. If you have enjoyed so far, make sure you subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Also, don't forget to check out my previous videos on styling, shopping hauls and travel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and keep styling. Bye.